Today we are going to learn about state government. Civics Unit 1. The remaining part of the portions. Okay, the remaining part of the portions. Who inaugurates the government functions of states? Who inaugurates the government's functions of state? Do you know who MLA inaugurates the government functions? According to our constitutions, anyway, all MLAs should participate in all the government functions. Okay, appa? How are MLAs appointed directly or indirectly? How are MLAs appointed directly or indirectly? எப்படி அவங்க அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, நேரடியாகவா மறைமுகமாக? MLAs are elected by the people through general elections. MLAs are elected by the peoples through general elections. Who plays a vital role in our constitution? Who plays a vital role in our constitutions? Who play? The political parties play a vital role in the elections. Who play vital role in our constitutions? The political parties play a vital role in the elections. Okay, yeah. Next, why does the entire states divide into several constitutions? For election, the entire states is divided into several constitutions on the basis of the population. Okay, yeah. What are the powers of the governor of a state? He is an integral part of the state legislature. He is the head of the state executive with enormous powers. He is the chancellor of the government. Universities of the state, all which become law only after his assent. He appointed such as Advocate General, Chairman and members of the state public services commissions and state elections commissions and vice chancellors of states universities. Okay, appa? Next, who is the real executive head of the state and what are his powers? The chief minister is the real executive head of the state administration. Okay, yeah. Next, what are the powers of the chief minister? What are the powers of the chief minister? Minister of a state. Okay, yeah. What are the powers of the chief minister of a state? என்ன பவர் இருக்குது சீஃப் மினிஸ்டருக்கு ஸ்டேட்டில்? He allocates the portfolios among the ministers. He allocates the portfolios among the ministers. The council of ministers are collectively responsible to the state legislature, the chief ministers formulates programs and policies for the welfare of the people of the state. The Council of Ministers is full responsible to the Legislative Assembly of the state. Okay, yeah. How many main organs of government are? How many main organs of government are, and what are they? There are three. They are legislative, executive, judiciary. Okay, yeah. Judiciary, legislative. Okay, அப்பா அதாவது ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து லெஜிஸ்லேட்டிவ்ஸ், எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ், ஜுடிஷியரி, legislative. What do they do? The legislative branch makes laws. The executive branch enforces the laws, and the judiciary interpret the laws. Okay, yeah. What is judiciary? Judiciary என்ன? Judiciary என்ன? The High Court are the highest judicial organ at the state level, and it is an independent body. The highest courts are the the High Court. The High Court are the highest judicial organ at the state level, and it is an independent body. What does the state High Court consist? The state High Court consists of the Chief Justice and other judges. The state High Court consists of the Chief Justice and other judges. How many members of judges in the High Court? How many of judges is in the High Court? The number of judges in the High Court is not uniform and fixed. Who appoint the Chief Justice of a High Court in the state? Who appointed the Chief Justice of a High Court in the state? The President appoints the Chief Justice. What can hold the office until 62 years? Okay, yeah. What are district courts and tribunals? There, apart from high courts, district courts and tribunals which ensure justice to the people without any basics. What are the powers of the family courts? The family courts are established to settle the disputes relating to marriages and family affairs. Okay, yeah. What is lok adult? Lok adult is a people. Lok adult is a people. What is lok adult? Lok adult is a people. Okay, yeah. Quote, by whom was lok adult established and why was established? Lok adult அதாவது people's court. Okay, lok adult what is the meaning of lok adult? People courts have been established by the government of India to settle the disputes through conciliations and compromise. Okay, appa, do you understand? I will send the question answer and fill-ups. You have to study well. I will give the test coming week. Okay, the class is over. God bless you. Thank you, students.